Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. My name is Mohammed Ilyas and today I want to show you the best app that its name is Evernote Note Organizer, Notepad, To-Do List and Planner. It is the best app. It captures ideas with inspired strikes and find information fast. You can share notes with anyone, and from meeting and project web designer, you can do lists with Evernote and everything in one place. It is the best app. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and use from it. It's 135 MB in iOS and less in Android. Let's open it. Evernote, and here we have the all notes, we have the idea and inspiration. So I'm going to the plus button for the new notes and allow Evernote to use your location, allow while using the app, and I am going to write. I have to do my assignment, return. So, and here you see that we can share notes, we can add tags, add reminder, add to our shortcuts. It's very cool. Note information and copy internal links. We can move notes and we can duplicate notes. Here we can add people, and we have different types of writing. We have the attachment. We can take pictures, add links, images and table, divider, checkbox, audio, code block and sketches. It has lots of things. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and enjoy from it. We have our notebooks that we can write anything we want, our stories, our memories. Another thing, we have the trash tags and another thing, and we can upgrade it. And we have account in here. We have the dark mode, the light mode and dark mode. It's cool. The passcode we can add, the support, sync and work chat. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and enjoy from it. And here we can add to reminder, record audio, start sketching, add an attachment, take a photo, scan a document and blank note. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell and comment below which app or which game do you need that I make videos for you guys. Thank you.